Welcome back to the Weather Forecast Center. I had to switch back to my phone for this one since I can't get a long enough signal for from my webcam. So um, we have a PDS tornado warning in Polk and Warren County in Iowa. Um, this is near Des Moines, Iowa. Let's go to velocity. Velocity, please. Thank you. That doesn't show me much. Let's go to CC since it's already down. Yeah, there it is. Here is your debris here going through the southwestern side of Des Moines. If you are in Des Moines, you should be already in your safe place. In basement if you got one. If not, lowest floor on interior room away from windows. No mobile homes, no cars. Nobody should be driving along US 69 from, we'll just say Des Moines to we got to go to Indianola. So this tornado is on the ground and is causing considerable damage right now in Des Moines, Iowa. This is a particularly dangerous situation tornado warning for the Des Moines area and points south and east. If you are in Indianola Hills, if you are in Pioneer Park, if you are in Riverwoods or near the airport, you should be underground if you have it. If not, basement if you have one. If not, in an interior room on the lowest floor, away from windows. No mobile homes and no cars. Nobody should be driving along US 65 from Pleasant Hill, from Carbondale to um, to way down there, Indianola. Nobody should be on US 69 from Des Moines to Indianola. This is a dangerous situation as this tornado is going through a heavily populated area in Des Moines, Iowa. We're going to do this red. We're going to do this red. So this is your tornado. Causing damage, moving east to southeast. Next areas in line is Easter Lake area, Avon Lake. Looks like the tornado is starting to lift a little bit, but there is still debris fallout. And they updated the warning. So let's see what it says now. is it has changed to radar indicated. So it was down in Des Moines for a short time. Now we're getting debris fallout from it, but it's still radar indicated. It could be cycling and might drop again. We also have a observed tornado in upstate New York. Once I get the radar up on here, here we go. So this is observed. It could be, uh, get rid of that. Get rid of that. Send you down here. So this is probably your tornado down here, moving to the northeast. So if you're in Cincinnati, Taylor, or Pitcher, you should be in the. Okay. So that tornado warning has been allowed to expire. So let's see what we got going on now. There's still 4 tornado warnings, and they're all radar indicated now. Okay, so this was on the ground, is now not. So if you are in Cincinnati, uh, Taylor, and Pitcher, you can come out of your safe. No, Pitcher, stay in your safe place because you are under this tornado warning. Let's go to velocity. This is getting muddled. So anywhere along shift you this way. Anywhere along this line moving east is in the path of straight line wind damage up to 70 miles an hour. Also, be alert for little kinks in the lines that may represent a possible tornado. Okay, so now we're going to go to, this expires in 3 minutes, so we're going to go to this one. So this polygon here. Here's your rotation. And we're going, that's starting to fizzle out. So if there's any, well, I can't guarantee you that. This may be something. So let's hold it here and see if they update this. If they don't update this, they should. Since it's so, to give all clears, I will give an all clear. Let me put up the reflectivity. I will give an all clear to really nobody, actually. Even though your rotation's out this way, you still got a hail core that's going to start coming in. So I can't give nobody an all clear from this until this back edge comes through. Going back up to this other box, I will give an all clear to center point. If you are in center point, you can come out of your safe places. If you are driving along Interstate 380, you can continue. And there's a destructive severe thunderstorm warning, a level 3. Okay, so this warning has expired. So anybody that was in that warning can come out of their safe spots. Anybody in this warning needs to stay in their safe spot. If you don't know what to reiterate, your safe spot is storm shelter if you have one, basement if you have one. If you don't have those, if you don't have any of those, go to the interior room on the lowest floor, away from windows. No vehicles, no car, no no mobile homes, no cars. Um, this is this has become a destructive storm now. So so the National Weather Service in Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Jackson County in east central Iowa, northern Cedar County in east central Iowa, southwestern Dubuque County in northeastern Iowa, northeastern Johnson County in east central Iowa, southeastern Benton County in east central Iowa, Jones County in east central Iowa, southeastern Delaware County in northeastern Iowa, Lynn County in east central Iowa, and western Clinton County in east central Iowa until 7 Central at 5:54 Central. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extended from near Langworthy to near Cedar Rapids Municipal Airport, moving east at 15. This is being warned for 80-mile-an-hour winds. So this is a level 3 severe thunderstorm warning for all those counties until 7 Eastern. Get you down here. So, um, so along with this tornado warning that is still out, you have destructive winds up to 80 miles an hour. Let's go to velocity. Okay, so I will point this out. Basically anything in here that's bright green up in here, those are your damaging winds. Okay? So from this is the leading edge of your possible spin up line heading east, and it's heading east at a slow clip. Okay? A slow clip. 15 miles an hour is not moving lightning fast. So, if you are in this warning, okay, so they condensed it now. It is still radar indicated. At 6:03, which was a minute ago, Central, severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Lisbon, or 7 miles northwest of Mechanicsville, moving east at 45. So, so this tornado warning is now over Lisbon. It's actually down here. So, your tornadic area will be right here. So, if you are on US 30, um, I'm going to say if you are on US 30, you are to stop in Bertram going east, going west, stop at Clarence for the next 40 minutes until this storm passes. This is not a game. This is serious stuff here. Because you have winds upwards of 80 miles an hour coming down the pike. Nobody should be on State Highway 38 from, oh God, get this off. Let's go down here. So we're going to say, since it's down here, the rotating part of the storm is down here. So nobody should be on Highway 38. We'll just say at the junction of US 30 to junction of State Highway 64. That whole roadway. So nobody should be on State Highway 38 from State Highway 64 to US 30. Matter of fact, if you are on US 30, we have a couple of weather spotters here that are on US 30 right now, probably getting to reposition. See if there's any debris. There might be a tornado now. Not definitive, but it's right here. Let's color that blue. Trash that. We'll go blue. So this possibly could be your tornado now. Heading towards Mechanicsville. If you are in Mechanicsville, you should already be sheltered. Storm cellar if you have one, storm shelter if you have one, basement if you have one. If not, interior room on the lowest floor away from windows. No mobile homes, no cars. Let's take that off. Let's go to reflectivity. So this hasn't updated yet. And they are still continuing to move eastbound on US 30 because they're probably seeing what I'm seeing as far as the rotation on radar, because it would be anywhere in this corridor. anywhere in that corridor could be a spin up tornado. It is not observed. It is still radar indicated, but be prepared for 80-mile-an-hour winds. This is a destructive storm. So if you are in the path of this line segment, since I'm wider out, I can do this. If you are in this segment to the east, heads up, because all this in here, not this part, but down in here could be destructive winds of 80 miles an hour. So that's that storm. So this is for what? This is for Cedar. Okay. So that's that storm. Now we will go to, okay, so that's that storm. That's 5 minutes. That's 5 minutes. That's 5 minutes. So we'll go to the most recent ones, which are here in New York and here in Montgomery County, Iowa. You can pretty much see your circulation, can you? Right here. Let's take a look at reflectivity. Yeah, that would match up right here. Let's see if there's any debris. If it's down. Is it down? No, it's not. Okay, so far so good. So, in this tornado warning, if you're in Grant, that's pretty much it. Well, let me get closer. Okay. So if you're in Sciola along US 71, you need to be in your safe place. Hall closet bathroom on the lowest floor, away from windows. No mobile homes, no cars. Nobody should be driving along US 71 from Villisca to the north side of Grant. The far north side of Grant. Okay? Nobody should be on US 71 from the north side of Grant down to Villisca until this storm passes. It is moving to the southeast in this direction. 4 arrows, but that's okay. But you get the gist. So that is a tornado warning for Montgomery County. They have condensed it. It's still radar indicated for northeastern Montgomery County. 6 miles northeast of Stanton or 9 miles east of Red Oak, moving southeast at 30. So, weather spotters have reported a funnel cloud with this at 6:06 Central, which was 8 minutes ago. So there was a report of a funnel cloud at 6:06 Central with this storm. It's That's interesting. So let's let's go to velocity. No, that's nothing. Okay, so I am guessing. Here's Morton Mills. Try and get my bearings here. Okay, there's Morton Mills. Did it say anything about Morton Mills? No, 9 miles east of Red Oak. Okay, so Red Oak is where's Red Oak? Let's see. Red Oak, Red Oak, Iowa. There's Red Oak, so it's 9 miles from there. 9 miles. So it's probably this circulation right here. So that's about 9 miles from. Let's measure that out. So from here to here. Oh, 16 yards. Let's. So, yeah, that's your rotation right here. That's 9 miles from Red Oak. Actually, we should. Actually, Red Oak to the east. Yeah, that'll be that. That'll be this rotation here. Okay, so this is the rotation right here. Right here. Right here is your rotation. Doing a lot of drawing and whatnot, but I'm trying to drive it home to you. So Morton Mills, this is call to action for you. Um, it's not down, but with that, what is that? Is that where? No. See where it spots up. If it's down here, it might be on the ground, or at least beginning to. Um, doesn't line up. I'm not going to say as a definitive. Is the radar indicated still? Yes, it is. So we can't go there. So this is suspicious, but it doesn't line up to where the rotation is. So for now, it's not on the ground. So let me go back to reflectivity. Okay. Think we're in a radar hole. Let's smooth it out a little bit. Nah, that's even worse. Um, yeah, we're probably in a radar hole. So this is far away from the radar, which is in. Where's that at? Where's that at? Probably might be might be Quad Cities or is that Quad Cities? No, Omaha. That far out, Omaha, Nebraska? Wow. Yeah, that's oh, it's right here. So yeah, it has a decent decent area. So with this storm here, actually from up here it looks actually decent down here. You have to get away from it right about here. That would be where your that's where the hook is on the storm, and it could be this over here. Um, don't know. Um, Now we're down to three tornado warnings. We have this one. We're going to take a look at this one up in New York. Okay. So this might be back here. So that's reflectivity. Look at velocity. Now the velocity look like there, I don't see any rotation here. Um, so we will keep an eye on it, but I'm going to consider that done. Now we're down to two. Now we got this one for this part of the storm. Aha. So here is your couplet. Uh, that's off the screen. Let's do it that way. We're going to draw on it. This is your rotation. Clear as day. Is it on the ground? It looks like it's tightening up. Uh, Not quite definitive, but that is worrisome. No. This is starting to tighten up just a little bit. So this is your rotation. So this is rather a brand new tornado warning for um, southwestern Jackson, northeastern Cedar, southeastern Jones, and northwestern Clinton counties in east central Iowa until 7th Central. Um, Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Hale, moving east at 50. Okay, so if you are in this tornado warning, you should be either in your storm shelter, basement if you got one. If not, in an interior room on the lowest floor, away from windows. No mobile homes, no cars. And we got three storm chasers looking at this right now. This is still a destructive level 3 severe thunderstorm warning along with it. So it's still maintaining. Now we got a TVS. So we have a TVS here with this storm up here. So so this is your rotation here. So let's go down here and let's draw on this puppy. Right here is your rotation. Okay. This, how long ago was that? That's what I want to know. As a 7:10. So that was as of 14 minutes ago. So it could not be, it probably won't, is not a TVS anymore, but, and no, it is. Because now it's updated. And it's moving east at 26. So now this is updated 8 minutes ago. And still carries a TVS. No longer has a Mesa with it. Um, and three-quarter inch size hail is with this storm moving east at 26. So let me check the correlation coefficient. Take a look at that spot and that spot. Nothing in that spot. Um, this could be um, yeah, this is um, this is concerning. Um, Clear that out. Let's go to velocity. Yeah. You want to know something? That this may be on the ground. This may be on the ground. Because that lines up with that. So if you are in Oxford Junction, you should be in your safe place right this minute. Don't walk, run. This is possibly a tornado on the ground by radar. Um, so, Oxford Junction, you just have a minute. Lost Nation, you're next. And if it holds together, boy, Charlotte down the road. Boy, if this is not on the ground, I don't know what is. Um, Velocity. Yeah, I don't know what it is. These are high winds up here. Um, wow. Um, this is your rotation. This may be going right into Oxford Junction. Like, now. Like, seriously, now. Um, yeah. Oxford Junction, Oxford Junction, Oxford Junction. I've said it 3 times. You should be in your safe place right this second. Nobody should be traveling along State Route 134 from Oxford Junction to Delmar. Well, heck, we'll just say Charlotte for the next little bit here. Okay, they condensed it and still radar indicated. What are they looking at? What are they looking at? Cable produced tornado. Yeah, it's over Oxford Junction, and it's producing negative values on the um, CC. So I don't know what in the world are they looking at, because here it is about to literally go into Oxford Junction. Um, Velocity. Yeah. It- yeah. I mean, what are they looking at? It's right here. It's over Oxford Junction. I mean, these are 80-mile-an-hour winds back here. Let's go to reflectivity real quick before I go to CC. Yeah, these are 80-mile-an-hour winds right here. This here, this part of the storm is where that possible tornado's at. We gotta watch this down here too. And this area right here. There's three areas that could possibly drop a tornado. CC. That boy, if that's if that is not in Oxford Junction, I don't know what is. I mean, I don't know what they're looking at. There ain't no way that this is still radar indicated. I mean, CC has it clear as day, but could it be a loft? Eh, maybe. I mean, reflectivity. I mean, it's all right here. Every last bit of it. And these people are probably losing their mind over it right about now. I do gotta go to bed soon, but I will stay with you until 8 p.m. Eastern, so I can keep you guys informed of what's going on. Yeah, that they might need to rethink that radar indicated, because right here is is huh, you know, CC. Let's go to CC. Yeah, I really do not know what in the world they are looking at. That to me looks like a tornado that's down. I mean, that's plain as day. Look at all that stuff. And that just went right through Oxford Junction, too. Um, if you are traveling and you are using US 61, this goes to call view. Nobody should be on US 61 from DeWitt to Andrew for the next 15 to 20 minutes. Um, yeah. What in the world are they? I hope they upgrade this, because this is nonsense. I mean, this is total nonsense. It's not upgraded. What in the world are you doing? I mean, what in the hell? Another thing, this tornado will be rain wrapped, so you will not be able to see it. So, I think I got, okay, I got one other tornado warning. So, if you are in this warning in Iowa, you should be in your safe place, hall, closet, bathroom, on the lowest floor, away from windows, no mobile homes, no cars. Let's see. That's that mess. There's a tornado warning in Wisconsin. And what in the hell we got going on here? That looks like a scatter spike, so we can't go by that. So, um, okay, here's your rotation. Here's your rotation. Let's go to correlation coefficient. Yeah, that's a scatter spike. So, and it wouldn't be on the ground at this point. But if you are in this warning, um, be sheltered. Basement if you got one. Storm shelter is best. If you don't have any of those, on lowest floor and interior room, away from windows. No homes, no cars. Nobody should be traveling along State Route 23 from State Route 11 to Mineral Point. Um, well, hell, nobody should be on State Route 11 from Hazel Green to Gratoit. So that is this tornado warning in Wisconsin. We will go back to this one. Um, Velocities. This is your, give me this. This is your 80-mile-an-hour blob. That is your 80-mile-an-hour. And this has a TVS moving east northeast at 47, and that was 9 minutes ago. Hail size is now up to 1.25 inches in diameter, and that is moving east northeast at 47 miles an hour. So places impacted with this blob of destructive winds is Monmouth, Baldwin, north side of Maquoketa, and Andrew, if it stays together that long. So heads up for Baldwin, Monmouth, Wyoming. You're probably seeing some of that right now. And Andrew and Maquoketa. Um, so what's coalition? Okay, this is all dry air now. Okay, so we are back to just radar indicated um, at this point. There is a new tornado warning, and this is for Carroll, Stevenson, and Joe Davies counties in Illinois. That's the correlation coefficient. Let's see reflectivity. Basically, a straight wind line heading east. Um, so anybody that's in the path, that's in this polygon, should be taking shelter in lowest floor, in an interior room, away from windows, basement if you got one, storm shelter if you got that. No, no mobile homes, no cars. Nobody should be driving on US 20 from Freeport to um, Alenta for the next hour. Um, so there are kinks in the line here that is being warned for a possible tornado. As you can see, it's just a solid line with embedded kinks along the line heading east. I mean, here's a pocket of high winds. So anywhere from top to bottom in this polygon should be in their shelters. Let's move up to Wisconsin warning. This also looks like a wind line. No, actually, this is more kind of jagged all over the place. Let's go to velocity. Um, there's no definitive rotation. I mean, maybe here, maybe here, and maybe down here. All moving to the east northeast. Um, anywhere, they just condensed the warning. So let's take a look here. Still radar indicated. Now it's only for Lafayette County. A severe squall line capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight line wind damage was located near Shoalsburg or near Darlington, moving east at 30. So this line, this line here is moving east and could drop a tornado at a moment's notice. So if you are east of this line, Darlington, Gratoit, Lamont, Fayette, be in your safe place until this line passes. If anything else, this storm could produce 80-mile-per-hour winds, which is a strong EF0 to an EF1 tornado. So that's that warning. So we are working 3. So now we will go to the Iowa storm again. Okay, so let me get my bearings together here. So this would probably be the area. Let's go to reflectivity. Yeah, there's a little dog leg that's popping out here, but if I zoom out, okay, let's clear that out. This is starting to look like a derecho. This stretches from up here all the way down here. This part's moving southeast. These are moving straight east with bowing segments producing 70 to 80 mile an hour winds. So, Rockford, Illinois, Davenport, Galesburg. This line's heading your way. You are more than likely going to get either level 2 or level 3 severe thunderstorm warning as this line comes in. Chicago, this is a heads up for you. How fast are these storms moving? Wrong section. So they're moving southeast at 40. Each one of these is moving to the southeast at 40. Click you out here. So everything basically from up here and all down in here is all moving this way. So people further down the line, Peoria, you're going to get hit with this line. Davenport, no doubt, will get hit by this line. Chicago might get 2 rounds of it. So that's the situation in Iowa and Illinois and Wisconsin at this time. Yeah, I mean, and the problem is they're all radar indicated. 1, 2. The Boeing segments in this line, your Boeing segment here, you got another one down here, and this junk down here, okay, are capable of producing 70 to 80 mile an hour winds, maybe higher. So if you are downstream from this line, Davenport, Galesburg, Sterling, Clinton, Freeport, I would treat this as if a tornado's coming through and seek shelter as if it was a tornado warning, regardless if it's a severe thunderstorm warning or not. Northeast of 56, half inch. That's a TVS with, that's a strong, okay, so this is a strong signature here heading towards Hanover. Let's see what velocities. No, that's way past. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a wide out shot. Okay. From the Davenport radar and basically explain everything. Here is your destructive line. And it's moving south and east. Not quite that deep south and east, but it's moving south and east. Anywhere in the what basically your bright white areas or your bright super bright green areas are basically your highest winds coming in on the backside of these Boeing segments that could produce 70, 80, possibly 90 miles an hour. I mean, there's a new tornado warning. And that is for this up here. For Carroll, Stevenson, and Joe Davies counties, the same counties that was under warning earlier. Like I was saying, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight line wind damage were located along a line extended from near Scales Mound to Witten, moving east at 40. So your your Boeing segments might end up having a quick spin up on the leading edge of them. So take that off. So we'll take my pen. So this is your severe thunderstorm line heading east. And at the apex of these bows, and we'll count this one too, that looks weak, but at the apex of these bows, you'll have winds that could go as high as 90 miles an hour. So if you are under a severe thunderstorm warning, more than likely a level 3, treat it as a tornado warning, even if it's not issued. Okay? This is a serious, serious situation that's developing right now. And still, he destruct the storm for 6 more minutes. Okay, so I've gone over the tornado warnings in length and in depth. Oh, there's a new one here in Michigan. Didn't you see that one? And here is your couplet right up in here. Um, let's look at structure. Oh yeah, yeah, that's a hook. Is it on the ground? No, I'm not gonna call that. Um, yeah, I'm not gonna call that because that might be in a couple of areas. So this is a tornado warning for what county was that? Let me tilt you back this way since I was looking at warnings and not showing everybody. For Delta County, Michigan. So, in closing, we have 4 tornado warnings that are in effect. Um, these two are for the next 4 minutes. Clinton and Jackson County in Iowa and Lafayette County in Wisconsin. The one that I'm showing you at the right now is the tornado warning in Delta County, Michigan. And there is a tornado warning for the next 34 minutes for Carroll, Stevenson, and Joe Davies counties in Illinois. And there are a slew of severe thunderstorm warnings, which I will go over real quickly. First and foremost, a level 3 severe thunderstorm warning continues with a tornado possible tag for Cedar, Jones, Clinton, Jackson, Lynn, and Johnson counties in Iowa. There is a level 2 severe thunderstorm warning for Marion, Jasper, and Poweshack County in Iowa. There is a regular severe thunderstorm warning for Decatur and Jennings counties in Indiana. There is a severe thunderstorm warning for Lexington and Richland County in South Carolina. A level 2 severe thunderstorm warning for Keokuk, Iowa, Washington, Johnson, and Poweshack counties in Iowa. A severe thunderstorm warning for Lewis County, New York. There is a level 2 severe thunderstorm warning with a tornado possible tag for Oida, Herkimer, Madison, and Otsego counties in New York. There is a severe thunderstorm warning in Santa Cruz County, Arizona. There is a severe thunderstorm warning in Schoolcroft and Algier counties in Michigan. There is a level 3 severe thunderstorm warning with a tornado possible tag for Lafayette County, Wisconsin. There is a severe thunderstorm warning, a level 2 severe thunderstorm warning, I should say, for Mahaska, Wapello, Keokuk, Monroe, Poweshack, and Marion counties in Iowa. There is a severe thunderstorm warning for Herkimer, Fulton, Montgomery, Oida, Otsego, and Hamilton counties in New York. There is a level 2 severe thunderstorm warning for Muscatine, Cedar, Scott, and Rock Island. Oh, all right. Let's do this again. Muscatine, Cedar, Scott counties in Iowa, and Rock Island County in Illinois. There is a severe thunderstorm warning for Greene County, Wisconsin. There is a severe thunderstorm warning for Cochise County, Arizona. There is a severe thunderstorm warning with a tornado possible tag for Delta and Marquette counties in Michigan. There is a severe thunderstorm warning for Marshall County, West Virginia, and Belmont County, Ohio. There is a severe thunderstorm warning for Cochise County, Arizona. There is a level 3 severe thunderstorm warning that has a tornado possible tag that is producing 90-mile-an-hour winds in Stevenson, Carroll, Joe Davies, Jackson, and Dubuque counties in Illinois and Iowa. There is a level 2 severe thunderstorm warning for Otsego, Delaware, Chenango, Broome, Ulster, and Madison counties in New York. There is a level 2 severe thunderstorm warning for Sullivan County, New York, Pike, Wayne, Lackawanna, Susquehanna counties in Pennsylvania, and Delaware County in New York. And that's also with a tornado possible tag. There is a level 2 severe thunderstorm warning for 70-mile-an-hour winds for Henry, Jefferson, Washington, Louisa, Van Buren, Des Moines, and Mercer counties in Iowa and Illinois. There is a level 3 severe thunderstorm warning with a tornado possible tag for Clinton, Scott counties in Iowa, Whiteside, Carroll, Rock Island, in Illinois, Jackson County in Iowa, Henry, Cedar, and Bureau counties in Illinois and Iowa. There is a level 2 severe thunderstorm warning for Greene County, Wisconsin, with a tornado possible tag with that. You want to know something? Let me go to this puppy right here. This is some serious stuff here. This whole, I'm going to tell you this. This whole line segment is charging east and producing 90 miles per hour wind gust. So treat this as if a EF1 tornado is coming through your area. Everybody up and down this line, it doesn't matter where you are. If you are in this level 3 severe thunderstorm warning with the 90-mile-an-hour tag on it, treat it as if there is a widespread EF1 tornado heading your way. I ran over time, but that's okay. So, that is the latest on the severe weather here in the Midwest and in the Northeast and in the Great Lakes region. I'd like to thank you all for watching this evening, and I will talk to you again soon.